Hi friends, Aditi here and welcome you all to the Craftreat channel. Craftreat has recently launched lace trims. As you can see here, these are such a gorgeous laces. So today I will be showing you 5 projects using these laces. So first one, we are making a flower, or you can say embellishment. Here I am taking 12 inches of this lace and I will be doing running stitch on one corner as shown here. So here our one embellishment or flower is ready. So now here I will be using this second lace. As you can see, this lace is little bit wide. So what I am doing is, I like that petal design, so I am cutting it and I will be making flower using that design. So the next project is decorating paper bag. So using these laces, it's so easy to decorate it in a minutes, and it gives such a nice rustic look to the bag. See here, all the combinations are looking so gorgeous. You can pick anything. I am putting here my flower embellishment which I made before to decorate the bag. So the next project is decorating my plastic jar. Here I will be covering the middle portion of the jar with a jute piece. Here I am using the lace whose petal part has been cut and made into embellishment, as you can see on the right top corner of this screen. So the remaining thing with the remaining lace, I will be decorating this jar. I really like that design here. Here I am embellishing it with pearls, and also the narrow lace which comes in this pack, I am putting that on the top and finishing this piece with the flower which matches with my jute design. Now moving on to our next project, I made a greeting card. Here I am cutting this dress from the Dazzling Diva paper pack, and also I will be cutting little bit more embellishment like this purse, that heel, diamond from this paper pack only. This I will be cutting. I will be fuzzy cutting and I'll be back. Here my base is ready, and now I will be doing the embellishing this dress. I want to color the dress, so I am taking this lace, misting it with little water, and I will be spraying colors. Let the colors dry and then do a running stretch to give it a little frills, and then I will be sticking it on the dress, on the paper dress. Here I'm not happy with the dress. The dress is looking very dark here, so I will be making it again and posting the pics. And today's last project is this upcycled glass bottle. Here you can see the smaller bottle here. I hope you liked all the projects, and if you do, then please comment and let me know which is your favorite one. Thank you for watching.